गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन अंदर આપણે સેમ્પલિંગ એનો ટાઈપ 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો। નાउ લાસ્ટ ટાઈપ 3 સિસ્ટેમેટિક સેમ્પલિંગ। સૌથી પહેલા તો આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોઈ લેશું સિસ્ટેમેટિક સેમ્પલિંગ ના। નંબર ઓફ સિસ્ટેમેટિક સેમ્પલિંગ k is equal to capital N divided by small n, capital N divided by small n। systematic sample mean that is y bar sy means systematic y bar 1 y bar 2 y bar 3 divided by k and variance of systematic mean, variance of systematic sample mean, that is v of y bar sy, that is sigma y bar minus y double bar no square divided by k। okay, first example, 12 units of population are 25, 40, 20, 15, 50, 38, 22, 16, 24, 40, 25 and 12. Obtain all possible systematic sampling of size 3, size 4 and size 6. अलग ત્રણે ત્રણ સેમ્પલ માટે અલગ અલગ સમ થશે from this population at a random. Prove that in each case systematic sample mean is unbiased estimation of population mean. Also find the variance of systematic sample mean in each case. Okay, first of all population mean, that is capital Y bar, that is 25 plus 40 plus 20 થી લઈ અને 12 સુધી 25 plus 40 plus 20 plus 15 plus 50 plus 38 plus 22 plus 16 plus 24 plus 40 plus 25 plus 12, that is 3 to 7 3 to 7 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 divided by 12, 27.25. This is population mean. Now sample mean for size 3 માટે સૌથી પહેલા sample number k is equal to capital N upon small n. k capital N 12, small n size 3 divided by 3, that is 4. sample number આપણે મળશે 4. sample number, sample sigma y, sample means y, sigma y, y bar minus y double bar, y bar minus y double bar નો square. sample number આપણે મળશે 4, 1 2 3 4. now it is very important how to determine the sample. first of all sample of size 3 એટલે કે first 3 25 40 20 25 25 25 40 20 15 આ રીતે આપણે લખવાનું 25 40 20 15. then 50 38 22 16 50 38 22 16 Next 24, 40, 25, 12. 24, 20, 25, 12. Now total of it 25 plus 50 plus 24, 99. 40 plus 38 plus 20, 98. 20 plus 22 plus 25, 67. 15 plus 16 plus 12, 43. 99 by 3, 33. 98 by 3, 32.67. 67 by 3, 22.33. 42 by 3, 43 by 3, 14.33. 118. 40 plus 38 plus 20. This is 40. 25, 40. Yes, this is 40. 40 plus 38 plus 40, 118. This is 118 divided by 3, 39.33. Total sigma y bar 33 plus 39.33 plus 22.33 plus 14.33, 108.99, that is 109. Systematic sample mean y bar sy sigma y bar upon k, 109 divided by 4, 27.25. This is result number 2. This is 27.25. So 33 minus 27.25, 5.75, 39.33 minus 27.25, 12.08, 22.33 minus 27.25 minus 4.92 and 14.33 minus 27.25, that is minus 12.92. Total is always 0. Let's see, minus 4.92 plus 12.08 plus 5.75, 4.92, 5.75, NO square 33.06, 145.95, 24.21, 166.93. Total 37.13. This is sigma y bar minus y double bar square. V of y bar sy, sigma y bar minus y double bar square upon k, 370.13 divided by 4, 92.53. This is for sample size 3. Now for sample size 4, sample number k is equal to capital N upon N, capital 12 divided by 4, that is C. Sample number, sample, that is Y, sigma Y. વેરિયન્સ આપણે એક વખત ફાઇન્ડ કરી લીધું એટલે બાકીનામાં હવે કરશું નહીં. Y બાર સિગ્મા Y upon N. સેમ્પલ નંબર 1, 2, 3. સેમ્પલ કઈ રીતે ડિટરમાઇન કરશું? 25, 40, 20. 25, 40, 20. 15, 50, 38. 15, 50, 38. 22, 16, 24. 22, 16, 24. 40, 25, 12. 40, 25, 12. 25 plus 15 plus 22 plus 40. 102. 102 divided by 4. 25.5. 40 plus 50 plus 16 plus 25. 131 divided by 4. 32.75. 20 plus 38 plus 24 plus 12. 94. 94 divided by 4. 23.5 plus 25.5 plus 32.75. 81.75. Y bar SY, that is equal to sigma Y bar divided by K. 81.75 divided by 3. 27.25. This is result number 3. Also sample size 6 માટે sample number K, capital N upon small n, 12 by 6, that is 2. Sample number 1, 2. Sample Y, sigma Y, Y bar. Sample number 25, 40. 25, 40. 20, 15. 20, 15. 50, 38. 50, 38. 22, 16. 24, 40. 25, 12. Now total 25, 20, 50, 22, 24, 25, that is 166 divided by 6, that is 27.67. 40, 15, 38, 16, 40, 12, 161 divided by 6, 26.83. Total 27.27, 54.10. Y bar SY, sigma Y bar divided by K, 54.10 divided by 2, 27.25. This is result number 4. So from result 1, 2, 3, 4, we can say that capital Y bar is equal to E of Y bar SY. is equal to 27.25. This is your answer. Here our last chapter sample is completed. Thank you.